Good morning. We still have wet snow coming down up in the northern mountains with heavier snow over in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains up near Taos, just east of Espanola and Santa Fe, even seeing that mix of rain and snow there. And then Las Vegas along I-25 up towards Springer, starting to see a mix of rain and snow, and this will actually head your way. So that will continue for the next couple of hours, and even through the mid part of the afternoon, we could see on and off snow up in the northern mountains. We did see a few sprinkles earlier in the metro, but you can see that things have really quieted down, and we're going to stay dry as we head through the rest of the morning, just dealing with the cloud cover and, of course, the breezy conditions out there, and that's the case across the entire state. I want you to look at the satellite and radar, and you can see, again, most of the snow up in the northern mountains. Back to the west, still extensive cloud cover, so we are going to continue to see partly to even mostly cloudy skies as we head through much of the morning, but by this afternoon, we should start to see that break up a little bit. Temperature-wise, though, those are going to be slow to climb because it's a cold front that's bringing in those showers, and we're going to continue to see that colder air filter into the state. Right now, temperatures in the low 30s up in the northwest. Colorado starting off at 30 degrees in Durango there, 36 in Los Alamos, 42 in Albuquerque, and we're in the 40s and 50s down in the southeast. So pretty mild in the southeast this morning, near 60 for Carlsbad and Hobbs. Wind gusts out there, making it feel a little bit cooler, though. Winds right now out of the west at anywhere from 25 to even 45 miles per hour in those higher gusts. So windy statewide. Behind the front, winds will not be quite as bad as yesterday out west, but out east ahead of the cold front, we're still going to see very strong winds, so high winds there. Red flag warnings in effect for the east, too, because dry conditions continue to persist there. Winds there could approach about 50 to 55 miles per hour at times. Skies again partly to mostly cloudy right now with some of the snow up to the north. Going into the afternoon, skies again will clear out with that cooler air working its way in. Temperatures today will be quite a bit cooler than yesterday. Yesterday we made it well into the 70s for the metro. Today we're going to struggle to even get to 60 degrees. So cooler out there today, but temperatures starting to rebound very nicely once again for tomorrow. Here's your forecast now region by region for the northwest. Quite a bit cooler. 43 in Durango, your high there. 51 in Farmington with a mix of rain and snow early, and then partly to mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. Your 7-day forecast shows those temperatures gradually climbing into the mid to upper 50s over the next few days, with conditions staying dry through next weekend. Down in the southwest, it's going to be another windy one with temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Overnight lows tonight down into the 20s and 30s. South and east, another windy one today. Temps in the mid to upper 70s to near 80 down in Hobbs, 83 in Roswell, 83 in Artesia. Your 7-day forecast shows dry conditions for the next week, with temperatures staying pretty much in the low to mid 80s. We were in the 90s yesterday. We're not going to see that anytime this week, so a little bit cooler. North and east, a few clouds around, windy conditions with highs in the 50s to low 60s, so not going to see the widespread upper 70s we saw yesterday. Northern mountains will continue with a chance for rain and snow through much of the day. Temperature-wise will be in the low to mid 40s for Red River and Angel Fire, 51 in Taos, mid-50s for Santa Fe. Here's your 7-day forecast for Santa Fe. Dry conditions for the rest of the week, 50s today, but back into the 60s, and we will stay in the 60s for highs as we finish out the rest of this first week of spring. East Mountains looking at a few spot showers this morning, then partly cloudy this afternoon with highs in the mid to upper 50s. And your forecast for the metro, a few spot showers for the next hour, but that's really moving on out. We'll see gradually increasing sunshine with highs in the upper 50s to low 60s today. Then more sunshine tomorrow, less wind too. Tomorrow should be really nice with highs around 63.